Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about loader, pin, and bushing maintenance. So we've had the question asked a few times, when should we be looking at that? So did a little bit of research with ALO, and ALO recommends, that's the guys that build the Fendt loader, they recommend every 3,000 hours. So working that through the numbers, because most tractors aren't doing loader work all the time, you're probably looking more at like 4,500 to 5,000 engine hours on your tractor, unless you're using your loader every day. What they recommend is to buy a pin and bushing kit, which, looking at it through parts, it's about $1,000 for the two kits together. And then there's actually a really good instruction video on how to do it if you want to do it yourself. Or you can chat with Michael or Nolan at the shop and they can give you a quote on how to do it. But basically what you're going to do is remove the holding washer and bolt off the back of the pin, pull the pin out, and then there's a procedure to be able to drive the bushings out, and another procedure to drive the new bushings back in. It's all stuff that can be done with simple hand tools. You basically support the loader so that there's no weight on those pins, and you can remove those bushings and replace them. The estimated time to do it is about 3 hours. Of course, that's flat rate time, so if you're attempting to do it yourself, it's probably going to take you 5 hours or 6 hours. So plan on a decent day that it's going to take you to do that. But $1,000 and some time, and you can renew that loader. If you let it go too long, then what happens is the pins start to wear into the frame, or the bushings wear out and the pins start to wear into the loader arms themselves. And then you get into a situation where you have to have a welding shop do some repair of pieces, and it just multiplies the number of dollars up. So give our guys a shout if your tractor's getting up into that 5,000 hour range, and they can have a discussion with you about it. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.